Hello students! In this video we'll be drawing angles with protractors. Let's jump right into it. First, you might be wondering, what is an angle? An angle looks like this. It has two sides and a shared point. How big is this angle? Imagine starting with one side and rotating it until you reach the other side. The further you rotate, the bigger the angle. Angles can be measured and created with a tool called a protractor. Let's try making some angles using a protractor. How does a protractor help me make angles? Well, we use a protractor to know how big to draw our angle. There are a lot of numbers on this protractor. Let me explain how to use them. All of these numbers represent degrees. There are 360 degrees in a full rotation, or complete circle. A protractor shows half of a circle, or 180 degrees. As you can see, there are two sets of numbers, the outside set and the inside set. When should you use each set? Easy. You want to use the outside set of numbers when the first side of your angle starts on the left, since it aligns with the outside zero. Once you start from zero on the left, you use the outside numbers to create the angle of the size you want. You want to use the inside set of numbers when the first side of your angle starts on the right, since it aligns with the inside zero. Once you start from zero on the right, you use the inside numbers to create the angle of the size you want. Let's try some examples. Use the protractor to make a 60-degree angle. It looks like the first side of the angle is already on the protractor and pointing to the left. Since the given side starts on the outside zero, we'll use the outside set of numbers. If we follow the numbers, we can see we reach 60 right here. So all we need to do is place the other side of our angle through 60. Make sure the second ray meets up with the first ray at the center of the protractor. And boom, we just made a 60-degree angle. That goes pretty fast. Let's try another one. Use the protractor to make a 100-degree angle. It looks like the first side of the angle is already on the protractor and pointing to the right. Since the given side starts on the inside zero, we'll use the inside set of numbers to make our angle. If we follow the numbers, we can see 100 right here. So let's place the other side of our angle through 100. Nice job. We just made a 100-degree angle. Let's try another angle. Use the protractor to make a 135-degree angle. Okay, should we use the outside set of numbers or the inside set this time? It looks like the given side starts on the left, so we'll use the outside set of numbers. We're looking for 135. If we follow the numbers, we can see 130 and 140. So 135 sits right here on the line exactly between 130 and 140. So let's place the other side of our angle through 135. All set. We just made a 135-degree angle. Let's make one more. Use the protractor to make a 25-degree angle. Since the given side starts on the inside zero, we'll use the inside set of numbers to make our angle. If we follow the numbers, we can see 25 sits right here between 20 and 30. So let's place the other side of our angle through 25. Way to go. We just made a 25-degree angle. That's it, students. Nice job with making these angles. Make sure you use the correct set of numbers to measure your angles, and you'll build them in no time. Good luck.